Are you sick of staring at those unsightly black splotches on your walls? It's time to fight back with nature's arsenal. Today, we will reveal clever tips and tricks to remove black mold using gentle, natural remedies. Prepare to say hello to a cleaner, healthier home without breaking a sweat or the bank. Are you ready for a wall makeover? Let's dive in now and declare war on that stubborn mold. 1. Baking soda. The good old baking soda is the unsung hero of the kitchen, and now the savior of moldy walls. This humble white powder isn't just for keeping your fridge smelling fresh or fermenting your cakes. It turns out that it also packs a powerful punch when tackling black mold on walls. Baking soda's abrasive nature makes it an effective scouring agent for removing stubborn mold stains. Even so, its natural deodorizing properties are perfect for banishing that musty smell that often accompanies mold growth. And here's the best part: no harsh chemicals or fumes involved. Mix 50% baking soda and 50% water and stir until the solution is consistent. Apply the mixture to the affected area. Then use a brush to remove mold spots. Rinse everything with water afterwards. Next, mix 2 teaspoons of baking soda with 2 cups of water in a spray bottle and spray on the wall. Allow it to dry, forming a protective layer against future molds. Don't forget to use your protective gear before removing mold. So go ahead, raid your pantry, and arm yourself with a trusty box of baking soda to wage war on those pesky black mold patches. You'll save money on expensive cleaning products and do your bit for the planet by choosing a natural, eco-friendly solution. Who knew something as unassuming as baking soda could be a mighty weapon against black mold? 2. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil isn't just your average essential oil. It's a superhero in a bottle. Its antifungal properties make it an ideal candidate for battling black mold on walls, with no cape required. But what truly sets tea tree oil apart is its natural origin, making it a safer alternative to harsh chemicals without sacrificing effectiveness. Not only does this powerful essential oil defeat mold with its antifungal properties, but it also leaves your space smelling like a spa resort. To harness its superhero abilities, mix 1 teaspoon of tea tree oil with 1 cup of water in a spray bottle and apply liberally to affected areas. After letting this dynamic duo soak for several hours, wipe away the defeated mold with a cloth and revel in your victory. But wait, there's more. Tea tree oil isn't just an effective mold remover. It also prevents future outbreaks. Spritzing problem areas weekly with your trusty tea tree solution can keep black mold at bay and foster a healthier living environment. So say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to natural mold-fighting bliss. Your walls and sinuses will thank you for it. 3. Vinegar. We all know vinegar is the superhero of the kitchen. Not only does it make your salads sing, but it also moonlights as a mold-fighting powerhouse. This humble liquid is like the ninja assassin of black mold, stealthily sneaking into its territory and obliterating it with acidic precision. Pour white vinegar into a spray bottle and apply it to the affected spots. Then sit back and watch as it goes all Bruce Lee on that pesky black mold. But what makes vinegar so effective against black mold? Well, it turns out that its high acidity disrupts the mold's cellular structure, leaving it scrambling for survival. It's like unleashing a tiny army of acidic warriors to storm the walls and remove the black mold. So, instead of reaching for harsh chemicals or expensive cleaning solutions, call upon your trusty sidekick, vinegar. 4. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is another excellent, natural cleaning solution. Not only does this magical liquid brighten hair and disinfect wounds, but it also annihilates mold with its foamy power. Its bubbling action penetrates the depths of porous surfaces, attacking mold at its roots like a ninja in disguise. And get this, it doesn't leave any toxic residue, making it an eco-friendly alternative to harsh chemicals. Plus, its fizzing action is oddly satisfying to watch as it goes to work on those pesky black spots. To use hydrogen peroxide as a mold remover, pour it into a spray bottle undiluted and spritz it directly onto the affected areas. Let it sit for 10 minutes to allow the hydrogen peroxide to work its magic. Then grab a scrub brush or sponge and give those stubborn black spots a good scrubbing. The fizzing action of the hydrogen peroxide means it's getting down and dirty with the mold, so don't be afraid to put some elbow grease into it. As a bonus, hydrogen peroxide is much gentler on surfaces than harsh chemical cleaners, making it an eco-friendly option for fighting black mold. But wait, there's more. Hydrogen peroxide's versatility knows no bounds. Mix it with baking soda to create a mighty paste that scrubs black mold without sweat. It's like the dynamic duo of natural cleaning, fighting grime and mold one bubbly reaction at a time. Next time you spot black mold on your walls, unleash the power of hydrogen peroxide and witness its transformative prowess firsthand. 5. Grapefruit seed extract. This powerful natural solution smells refreshing and packs a punch when combating those pesky spores. The antimicrobial and antifungal properties of grapefruit seed extract make it ideal for tackling mold on walls, offering a non-toxic alternative to harsh chemical cleaners. It contains limonoids and naringenin, polyphenols that kill bacteria. Besides, its versatility extends beyond mold removal. You can use it to purify water, sanitize surfaces, and even freshen your laundry. Mix 10 drops of grapefruit seed extract with every cup of water you use and spray the solution on the affected area. Allow the solution to sit for at least 10 minutes before wiping the remaining residue with a sponge. With grapefruit seed extract in your arsenal, bid farewell to black mold and embrace a zesty approach to natural cleaning. 6. Lemon juice. The humble lemon juice is a zesty elixir of cleanliness. Not only does it add flavor to your dishes and drinks, but this citrus superstar also holds the power to banish black mold from your walls. Its acidic nature makes it a natural enemy of mold, breaking down those pesky spores with an effortless squeeze. But wait, there's more. Lemon juice doesn't just eliminate mold. It leaves behind a fresh, invigorating scent that screams cleanliness. So not only are you getting rid of unsightly black spots on your walls, but you're also infusing your home with a burst of citrusy goodness. Juice 3 to 5 lemons into a bowl and pour on the wall. Allow the juice to sit for 10 minutes before scrubbing with a brush and rinsing with water. Who knew something as simple as lemon juice could be the hero in the battle against black mold? Finally, don't be fooled by its unassuming appearance. Black mold is a silent troublemaker, sneaking into homes and wreaking havoc on walls and health. It thrives in damp, humid environments, making your bathroom its paradise and turning your once pristine white walls into haunting canvases of darkness. As we embark on a mission to rid your walls of this nefarious intruder, remember that black mold is more than just an eyesore. It's a health hazard disguised in unkempt corners and neglected spaces. It can lead to respiratory issues and pneumonia for people with existing health issues. It's time to outwit this unwelcome visitor with some natural solutions before it invites its equally pesky friends over for a not-so-neighborly gathering. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 8 ways to get rid of black mold naturally. Thanks for watching and bye for now.